Students, welcome to third standard social class video session, lesson 7, the story of communication. In today's session, we are going to learn about progress in the means of communication. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 7, the story of communication. Topic, progress in the means of communication. Devices used to talk or to send message one end to other or from one person to other are called means of communication. In modern age, there are many types of means of communications like newspaper, telephone, mobile, TV, internet, etc. They play very important role in our daily life activities. Communications plays an important role in the development of the country. It reduces the distance and makes the flow of information faster. It also saves time, budget and labor. Information, ideas and opinions can be shared among many persons at any given time through modern means of communication. Nowadays, there are many faster and easier means of communications. We can communicate instantly with anyone, anywhere in the world using a telephone or by sending an SMS, which means short message service, email or fax message. Now let us learn the difference between the landline phone and cell phone. A telephone that is fixed at one place is called a landline phone. One that we can carry with us is called mobile phone. It also known as a cellular or cell phone. We can even send written message and picture using a mobile phone. Do you know, children, there are 3 types of telephone calls. First one is local calls for calling within the same city. The second one is STD, which means subscriber trunk dialing calls for calling outside the city but within the country. The third one is IST, which means international subscriber dialing calls for calling outside the country. Since an STD IST calls is a long distance calls, it is more costly. Today, the computer has become an important tool for communication. We can exchange messages, pictures, informations and documents through computer using the internet. We can also send email, which means the electronic mail, by typing messages on the computer. It can then be mailed instantly through the internet to anyone, anywhere in the world. Modern computers have the ability to follow generalized sets of operations called programs. These programs enable computers to perform an extremely wide range of tasks. A fax machine can be used for sending written messages, printed material and pictures immediately. It is attached to a telephone. Now we are going into an interesting activity. Let's make a telephone. Material required for this activities are 2 plastic cups or tin cans, string or thin metal wires and a pin. First, you should make a small hole at the bottom of each cup with a pin. Press the string through the hole of one of the cups. Tie a knot in the string. Pull the string tight so that the knot rests at the bottom of the cup. Now, passes the other end of the string through the bottom of the second cup. Again, tie a knot and pull the string tight. Your telephone is ready. Try using it with your partner. Place the open end of one cup on your ear and ask your partner to speak into the other cup. Pull the string as tight as you can. Hear your friend speak. Then you talk while your friend listens. I hope you got clear information about progress in the means of communication. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.